Welcome to Eoovbook. Today we will be discussing about how to use events on Eoovbook. Hand side you will find event option. Click on the event option to visit events in Eoovbook. In this section, we will be discussing about how to use other features of events in Eoovbook. First, visit events on Eoovbook. Now here, you will find different options like Browse Events, Event Going, Invited, Event Interested, Past Event, and My Event. Now let's explore these features in detail. In the first place, you will find Browse Event. In this section, you browse all the events happening in Eoovbook. Now on Event Ongoing, you will find all the ongoing events on Eoovbook. Now on Invited section, you can find out the events you have been invited. On Event Interested, you will find events which you have been interested. In Past Events section, you will find all the events that happened in the past. And finally, on My Event option, you will find the events you have created. To create events on Eoovbook, first visit Event option. Now on the top right corner, click on Create. Now fill all the basic details to create event on Eoovbook. Now click on Publish to post your event.